Hello, Andy from Less Work, More Camping. I was out grocery shopping the other day and I came across a steak which I haven't tried on my smoker yet, so I decided to pick that up and give it a try. So I'm going to show you how I do this. It's a Tomahawk steak, and anybody not familiar with those, it's a ribeye steak with the long rib bone still attached to it. I'll give you a shot of it here. So I already got the smoker preheated to 200 degrees because I want to put a good amount of smoke on it. It's really thick. It's like 3 pounds. So let me go ahead and throw this bad boy on there. Okay, I got the steak on the smoker. I got my temperature probe inserted in there. You want to try to get it as close as you can to the middle of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna bring it up to about 108 degrees, and I'm going to end up reverse searing it. So I'll open up the other part of the firebox cover there and throw it over direct flame to finish off the cook. Yeah, when I was prepping the steak, all I did was I rubbed it down with some olive oil, and you can use any kind of seasoning that you like. Today I decided to go with the Montreal steak seasoning. I'm kind of a fan of that, so we'll see how that turns out. Alright, let's see how this thing is looking. Oh yeah. Go ahead and give it a quick flip here. The internal is about 52 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and take it up to 107, and then we'll go ahead and do the quick sear on it. Alright, I've reached the set temperature on my external temperature probe. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Alright, time to pull it off of the smoker and set it up for the searing process. Alright, I got it pulled off of the smoker. I'm going to go ahead and grab this tool here and slide this grate over so I can get to that access door of the firebox. Slide this cover over the firebox. Slide this on back. There we go. Now I have the smoker cranked all the way up. I'm going to let it get super screaming hot, and then we're going to go ahead and throw it back on there and do the reverse sear. Alright, we're up to temp. I got it up to 500. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, let's go ahead and throw this thing on here. I'm going to put it for about a minute to a minute and a half before I turn it. Okay, let's go ahead and give this thing a flip. Okay, now I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. Same procedure. Okay, I pulled it off the smoker, and I went ahead and did the old tent setup. So I'm going to let it sit there and rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll come back out here and slice it up, see what it looks like. Okay, I'll let it rest for about 10 to 12 minutes. One thing to note, after I finished the searing process, I had to slide it over to the right side of the smoker and cook it for, I guess, about an additional 8 to 10 minutes, because I want to get it up to temp where it's right about 130-ish, 135 maybe, because I like it more towards the medium to medium rare. So we'll see how we look here. Okay, that's, if you can, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's right around 135 degrees. So we'll go ahead and slice it open, see what it looks like. Okay, let's see what we got here. I'm going to slice this bone away here. That'll be good to gnaw on. And go right for the middle here. Nice and tender. Just loaded with juice. Have to give this thing a try here. Oh my goodness. I don't even have words for this other than wow. This is just incredible. It's about, I would call it a medium. Absolutely delicious. Tender, got all the smokiness. We got that flavor from the Montreal steak seasoning come through there. Guys, if you ever get a chance, you've got to try this. This is just awesome. All right, guys, if you got any value out of this video, please give me a like and thumbs up and subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.